welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Liv. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and fashion. So if that is your thing and you like my style of video, then please hit that subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So I'm going to jump straight in. I've got a Boots haul for you. So over here in the UK, Boots is a drugstore, but it now does stock some more high-end makeup as well. But I've tried to keep as much high-end out of this haul because I have got a high-end haul coming. Now, for those of you that don't know, I am a makeup artist, so renewing my kit and buying makeup and replenishing makeup is something that I have to do. During lockdown, it's just given me the opportunity to go through everything, things that have expired, to be able to renew and replace. And also, I am a makeup junkie. I love makeup. I love playing around with makeup. It's the way that I chill out and zen. So yeah, I thought I would share what I got and what I like, because there are some of my favourites in here as well. So I'm going to try and swatch everything. There is a lot, so please bear with me. I will do my best with swatches. If you watched my Pretty Little Thing haul, you'll see that I ordered some of the Maybelline Lifter lip glosses from there. I absolutely love, with a capital L, the Maybelline Lifter lip glosses. So much so that they are going in my kit. Now that is a bold statement to make for drugstore, but these are 100% going in my kit. I have every colour. I just think they are absolutely amazing. They go on nice, they're not really sticky. Some have got shimmer in them, some haven't. They do tingle the lips a little bit, but nothing major, like for example, the Too Faced lip plumping gloss. Now that tingles. So I just thought I'd come on and show you all the shades, because I did get all the rest of mine from Boots. So this one is shade Topaz. Now these are very similar to the Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Gloss or Gloss Bomb. So if you're looking for something that's more affordable, definitely check these out, even to the point where they have the XL wand. So they're practically the same. So these are, I want to say £8. I want to say that they're £8 as well, which is a steal. So this is Topaz. Again, bear with my swatches. I do apologise. That is Topaz. And it is very similar, if not the same, as the Fenty Glow Universal Lip Gloss. So there you go. Next, we've got Amber, which is a cream. It's not got any shimmer in, and it's like a nude, like a orangey nude there. So that is that one. They smell lovely as well. They smell like holiday, which I know none of us are getting at the moment. This one is shade Moon, and this one is a sort of like blue tone pink with shimmer in. Show you this one. So that is that one. My swatching, I need to up my game on the swatching. Then I picked up Reef, which is like a pink cream. Obviously the creams have a lot more pigment in them. See that one? Yeah, the cream ones have a lot more pink in them. Very similar to the new cream bombs that Fenty released. This one is shade Stone, and it is a taupey nude, more of like that sort of like 90s nude, I would say. That's that one. And then last but no means least is Ice, and this one is like pretty much transparent. You're not even going to be able to see it on my arm, but it's literally just transparent with a little bit of a sheen to it. So you could wear this just over your natural lip or put lip liner on, and that would look really nice. So those are the Maybelline Lifter lip glosses, which, yeah, can highly recommend. Next, Boots stock Morphe online. So I grabbed just a couple of bits. I grabbed the Madison Beer, some things from the Madison Beer range. I grabbed the setting spray with the shimmer in. The mist is quite fine on it as well, which is quite good. It's not going to completely soak you. and it smells lovely. Reminds me of the Iconic Setting Mist. So very, very similar. And then picked up 3 lip glosses. So this one is Satin. So like a nude again, because you just can't go wrong with a nude. They're quite thick and creamy. So that one is Satin. And then I got Mercury, which is a paler nude. This one's quite popular. It's Mercury. And then we have Venus, which is a pinky rose sort of colour. Quite dark, but really pretty. And these are all creams and a shimmer in them. So yeah, I really like them. I've not tried them yet, obviously, because I think these ones are just going to go straight in my kit, to be honest. You can't go wrong with a Morphe lip gloss. They're really affordable. The colour payoff with these ones is great. So yeah, I'm happy I picked those ones up. Oh, one more thing from Morphe is I picked up one of their brow pencils. This is the micro brow pencil, and I got mine in Latte. So that is for myself. So I will let you know what I think of that. So next up, my absolute favourite drugstore concealer, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind? Yeah. I picked up one for highlighting, which is in Cool Ivory. And then my normal one for concealing is Shade Light. I'm sure you've heard loads of things about them, loads of good stuff about them. So yeah, definitely. The only downside is I'm not too much of a fan of the applicator, but next I got the L'Oreal True Match concealer, but I picked this up for contouring. I got shade Mahogany 9DW, and yeah, it's really, really, really good at contouring. So yeah, check that out. For the price, I think it's really good, and it's really subtle. It's quite easy with contour to go too much too soon and just meh. Whereas with that, it's buildable and you can correct mistakes. If you make a mistake with it, it's easy to correct. So yeah. Next, I got some stuff from e.l.f. Picked up this Sheer Slick lipstick in the shade Dragon Fruit. Not had a look at this yet. I just thought this one would just be good to just throw in your handbag. Doesn't really smell of anything. But it's a nice colour. That's really nice colour. And it feels really nice as well. Oh, yeah. Hope that wears well. They did have some other colours as well, so, and that was £5, which I thought was a really good deal. It's got a nice sheen to it as well. Very nice. Like a raspberry colour. Next from e.l.f. I picked up the infamous CC cream. I got shade 210 neutral and 120 neutral because I'm practically in between these two shades. I have it on now. I'm currently conducting a wear test, so I will link that here and I will link it down below, so go check that out and you'll get my thoughts on what I think of this. I'm not going to say any more. It's £14 each and I'm wearing it today, so there you go. And then last from e.l.f. I picked up this Flawless Brightening Concealer. I've no idea. I haven't heard much about it. It's a corrector. Create a brightened, flawless complexion with a click of a pen. And I got mine in shade Fair 15. So I will report back over on my Instagram what I think of that. Next up, NYX. So I wanted to try their Marshmallow Primer. If you're on TikTok, you've probably seen a lot about this. I've not tried it yet. I've not even sniffed it yet or anything. It has a hell of a lot of claims, this primer does, none of which are written on the bottle. Anyway, so let's see what the consistency of this is like. Oh, okay. Very thick. Smells sweet, a bit sickly. But yeah, it's got a lot of claims to this. Minimises pores, smooths your skin, etc, etc. So, intrigued to find out if it's going to do what it says it's going to do. Again, another hype which I don't know what I think of this hype. Again, I've not tried it. This is the Shine Loud lip colour. I got mine in Gold Crusher because that was all that was available online. So it's sort of like orangey nude, I would say. Now this is supposed to not budge off your lips or not transfer. Basically, it's like those old, I don't know if they still do them, the Maybelline ones. So that is Gold Crusher. And then basically it's a clear gloss at this end with a brush. And you wait for this to dry and go sticky. And then you pop the gloss on and it doesn't transfer. Obviously the gloss transfers, so I don't know if people are quite grasping that aspect of it. The gloss will transfer and go everywhere. I'm just going to get that off before it completely stains my hand. So yeah, I'm up for trying it. We will see. I think some people like it, some people don't. But it's all over TikTok, so there you go. Next, picked up one of the brow glues. Again, heard lots of people say lots of good things about this, so wanted to try it. It's not, to my knowledge, it's not going to give you that brow lamination effect, but it will give you those sort of like fluffy sort of brows, still textured, not completely stuck to your forehead. Cute little applicator brush. Doesn't really smell of anything. So yeah, that was £6, so I'll report back on that because I'm hoping that will be maybe a little dupe for my benefit, but we'll see. Next, 2 lip liners from NYX. I picked up Ever and I picked up Natural. These again are a really good dupe for MAC lip liners. That is Natural. You see that? Like a nice nude. And then this one is Ever, which is that one there. I can't fault NYX lip liners. I really like them. For the price and the quality, you can't go wrong. So I always like to keep some of them in my kit. I do have MAC ones as well, but it's nice to sometimes try out other brands that aren't as expensive. So moving on to more of the sort of like high-end aspect of the video now. I picked up a new Huda palette. I picked up the Khaki Haze. Now, simply because I don't have a palette like this. So I wanted to try it. So they are those sort of khaki, you've got your warm browns, you've got your khakis, and you've got sort of like some duochrome pinks and things. Just looks like a really fun palette to have a play around with. So that's why I decided to get it, because I don't have any palettes like that at all. Another palette that I picked up is the Too Faced That's My Jam. Cute little palette, really affordable. By the way, my Boots haul, I got discount off it. What were they running, like 20% off, I think? 20% off makeup they were running. It smells like blueberries. And they are just these really gorgeous violet tones, pinks, and then you've got your warm tones there. So yeah, again, I don't have a palette like this. It's really cute and compact. It's not going to take up a ton of room. The packaging is really cute, so that I'm a sucker for packaging. It sucked me in, what can I say? And then from Clinique. Now, I don't normally go to Clinique for hardly anything, just because it's just not my vibe. We've never got on, me and Clinique. I've never gelled. But I saw this little highlighter, Year of the Ox. So they've done this cute little packaging for the year of the Chinese Year of the Ox. This is the Cheek Pop highlighter in Gold Celebration Pop with this cute little ox on. I think it's so cute. Let's give it a swatch. So cute. Is that even going to pick up on camera? My swatching ability is shocking, but yeah, it's just really gorgeous champagne gold colour. So I think that is going to be really beautiful on the cheekbones. And then last, but by no means least, I picked up the KVD Beauty Pour Leader palette. Watched videos on this on YouTube to make my mind up if it was one that I needed for my kit, and decided that it was. It's cardboard packaging, but heavy sort of cardboard packaging. Again, this was discounted with the money off. You've got a huge mirror. and the colours are just stunning, really beautiful. You've got your sort of like duochrome here, you've got your glitters, you've got your mattes, warm tones, purpley tones. That is going to be a really fun palette to play with. So yeah, glad that I picked that one up. That's everything that I grabbed from Boots, the drugstore. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you guys use any of these things, or if you recommend any products that you think I need to try, then let me know in the comment section below. That's it, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye!